This is week 5 update for Belleville Square water main replacement project. Everything has been going very smoothly and right on schedule. We've already placed 90% of water main for this project. This week we are pressure testing, we're taking samples for the project. And if the pressure test passed, we will be moving to a service transfer as well. So this indicates that we are almost at the final stages of the project.
I have the unique perspective of both working for Illinois American Water and being a downtown resident for over 25 years. And being a part of this project and seeing how it's been running has been very prideful for me to have my friends call up and my friends who are business owners down here asking me questions about how the progress is going and why we are doing this project. Makes me very proud to be a part of American Water. In our last meeting, we found out that the pipe is 90% installed, which is great because that means we're going to start testing, and when the testing's completed, we're just moving around really well, and the business owners should be excited to hear that. Everything's going great.
So we did open East Main Street a little bit last week, but then with the pressure testing going this week, we could not open it. But then the parking is still open, crosswalks are still open. So please come down and enjoy the businesses here.
I come down, I walk downtown every night, and I get to see the progress, and I'm just really pleased with the flexibility of the business owners, of the city, and of American Water, and our folks at Loki as well, really coming together to make this work.
There are multiple water main going under the fountain, and the main objective of this project was to get rid of those. And after we are done with the service transfer, I'm really looking forward to get rid of those water main and make a new connection, make an entirely new connection to the fountain.